From a forgotten relic buried under rust, dirt and time, this 1963 Bentley S3 Continental begins its journey back to life. Discovered in terrible condition, the car was barely recognizable. Thick corrosion covered every panel, moss and grime hid its original beauty, and years of neglect had taken their toll on both the body and the engine. At first glance, it seemed beyond saving. But restoration is about vision. The process started with a full inspection. Every inch of the car examined, every flaw documented. The body was misaligned, structural rust had eaten through key areas, and nearly every mechanical component required attention. Disassembly came next. Panels, doors, glass, interior, and engine components were carefully removed, revealing the true extent of the damage. What remained was a bare, heavily corroded shell. Cleaning and stripping exposed raw metal. Layers of rust were removed through grinding and blasting, uncovering weakened sections that needed to be rebuilt. Rusted panels were cut out and replaced with newly fabricated metal, welded precisely into place. Once the structure was solid again, the bodywork began. Filler was applied, sanded, reshaped and refined until every surface regained its original form. Slowly, the car's elegant lines returned. Then came paint. Layer by layer, primer, base coat and finally clear coat, the Bentley's signature bright white finish was reborn. What was once dull and lifeless now reflected light with a deep, flawless shine. Meanwhile, the engine underwent a complete rebuild. Every component was cleaned, repaired or replaced. New piston rings, restored crankshaft, refreshed carburetor, and a fully renewed cooling and electrical system brought the heart of the car back to life. And then, the moment of truth. The engine turned. A brief pause. Then it started. Smooth, steady, alive again after decades of silence. With the mechanical systems restored, attention shifted to the interior. New carpets were installed, leather seats carefully repaired, dashboard refinished, and every detail brought back to its original luxury. Finally, the car was reassembled. Glass, lights, chrome bumpers, wheels, and the iconic Bentley emblem placed proudly on the hood. The transformation was complete. From a rust-covered shell abandoned to nature to a fully restored 1963 Bentley S3 Continental, shining like it just left the factory. This is more than restoration. It's bringing history back to life.